Hello, nature lovers. Today we journey to Namibia, a land of striking contrasts and breathtaking beauty. From towering sand dunes to vast salt pans, Namibia's landscapes are a feast for the eyes. Join me as we explore some of the most scenic spots this incredible country has to offer. Get ready to be amazed by nature's artistry. Namibia is a photographer's dream, with its ever-changing light and dramatic landscapes. Whether you're an avid hiker or simply seeking natural wonders, Namibia has something for everyone. So let's begin our adventure. Our first stop is Sossusvlei, home to some of the tallest sand dunes in the world. Located in the heart of the Namib Desert, Sossusvlei is a place where nature's grandeur is on full display. The name Sossusvlei itself means dead-end marsh, a fitting description for this otherworldly landscape where the dunes meet the salt and clay pan. These majestic giants, sculpted by wind and time, rise over 300 meters above the desert floor. Each dune has its own unique shape and character, formed by the relentless winds that sweep across the desert. The tallest of these dunes, known as Big Daddy, stands at an impressive 325 meters, making it one of the highest sand dunes in the world. Imagine climbing to the crest of one of these dunes, the soft red sand slipping beneath your feet. The climb is challenging, but the reward is well worth the effort. As you ascend, you can feel the history of the desert beneath your feet, each grain of sand telling a story of time and transformation. As you reach the top, a breathtaking panorama unfolds before you. The view from the summit is nothing short of spectacular, with endless waves of sand stretching out in every direction. The contrast between the deep red dunes and the bright blue sky creates a visual feast that is both mesmerizing and humbling. The early morning sun bathes the dunes in a warm orange glow, creating a surreal and unforgettable spectacle. The light at this time of day is soft and golden, casting long shadows that accentuate the curves and contours of the dunes. It's a photographer's paradise, offering endless opportunities to capture the beauty of this unique landscape. The sheer scale and silence of Sossusvlei are truly awe-inspiring. Standing amidst these towering dunes, you can't help but feel a sense of insignificance in the face of nature's grandeur. The silence is profound, broken only by the whisper of the wind and the occasional call of a desert bird. It's a place that invites reflection and introspection, a reminder of the beauty and power of the natural world. Next, we venture to Etosha National Park, a wildlife haven in the heart of Namibia. Etosha centers around a vast, shimmering salt pan, visible even from space. This seemingly barren landscape transforms into a vibrant ecosystem during the rainy season. Imagine yourself on a game drive, the excitement building with each turn. Suddenly, a pride of lions lounges in the shade, while zebras and giraffes graze peacefully nearby. Etosha offers an unparalleled opportunity to witness Africa's incredible wildlife in its natural habitat. Our journey takes us to the Skeleton Coast, a rugged and desolate stretch of coastline. This unforgiving landscape, shrouded in mist and legend, gets its name from the whale and shipwrecks scattered along its shores. The stark beauty of the Skeleton Coast is both haunting and mesmerizing. Imagine the wind whipping through your hair as you explore the wind-swept beaches. The eerie silence is broken only by the crashing waves and the cries of seabirds overhead. The Skeleton Coast is a stark reminder of nature's power and the fragility of life. Here, life clings to the edges, with resilient plants and animals adapting to the harsh environment. As the sun sets, the golden hues reflect on the water, casting an ethereal glow over the landscape. Footprints in the sand tell stories of those who dared to venture into this remote wilderness. At night, the sky transforms into a canvas of stars, with the Milky Way stretching across the horizon. Gather around a campfire, sharing tales of adventure and survival in this enigmatic place. The ancient rock formations, weathered by time, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of centuries. Seals bask on the shore, their playful pups adding a touch of life to the otherwise stark surroundings. The Skeleton Coast National Park offers guided tours, providing insights into the unique ecosystem and history of the area. The dramatic contrast of the sand dunes meeting the ocean is a sight to behold, a testament to the raw beauty of nature. Each shipwreck tells a story of peril and adventure, a reminder of the treacherous waters that claimed them. The local Himba tribe, with their rich traditions and customs, add a cultural depth to the Skeleton Coast experience. As a new day dawns over the Skeleton Coast, the cycle of life continues in this hauntingly beautiful place. The endless horizon of the Skeleton Coast invites you to lose yourself in its vastness, to find peace in its solitude. Weathered signposts point to landmarks, each with its own story, waiting to be discovered. The Skeleton Coast is not just a place, it's an experience, a journey into the heart of nature's raw and untamed beauty. Come, explore the Skeleton Coast and let its haunting beauty leave an indelible mark on your soul. Section 5. Damaraland, where elephants roam free. We now travel inland to Damaraland, a region of stark beauty and ancient wonders. Here, rugged mountains and deep canyons dominate the landscape, home to a surprising array of desert-adapted animals. Damaraland is a testament to nature's resilience and the enduring spirit of life. Imagine encountering a herd of desert elephants, their massive bodies dwarfed by the towering rock formations. These remarkable creatures have adapted to survive in this harsh environment, a testament to the power of evolution. Section 6. Fish River Canyon, a natural wonder. Prepare to be awestruck by the Fish River Canyon, the second largest canyon in the world. Located in the southern part of Namibia, this natural wonder is a testament to the raw power of nature. The canyon is a marvel of geological processes, a place where the Earth's history is written in stone. This immense chasm, carved by the Fish River over millions of years, stretches for over 160 kilometers. The river, which flows intermittently, has sculpted a landscape that is both rugged and beautiful. The canyon's depth reaches up to 550 meters, making it a sight to behold. Its sheer scale and grandeur are simply breathtaking. The vast expanse of the canyon, with its steep cliffs and winding river, creates a dramatic and awe-inspiring scene. Visitors often find themselves speechless, overwhelmed by the sheer magnitude of this natural formation. Imagine standing on the edge of the canyon, gazing down at the ribbon of water far below. The view from the top is nothing short of spectacular. The contrast between the arid landscape and the lush greenery along the river is striking, offering a unique perspective on the region's ecology. The layers of rock, exposed by erosion, tell a story of geological time, stretching back millions of years. Each layer represents a different era in the Earth's history, providing a glimpse into the past. The canyon is a living museum where the forces of nature have created a masterpiece of geological art. Fish River Canyon is a humbling reminder of our planet's incredible history. As the sun sets over the canyon, the landscape is bathed in a golden glow, highlighting the textures and colors of the rock formations. It's a moment of tranquility and reflection, a chance to appreciate the beauty and complexity of our natural world. For those who seek adventure, the Fish River Canyon offers numerous hiking trails that take you deep into its heart. The most famous of these is the Fish River Canyon Hiking Trail, a challenging yet rewarding journey that spans 85 kilometers. Along the way, hikers encounter diverse flora and fauna, adding to the richness of the experience. Whether you're an avid hiker, a geology enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the wonders of nature, the Fish River Canyon is a destination that should not be missed. Its beauty, scale, and history make it a place of profound significance, a natural wonder that continues to inspire and captivate all who visit. Section 7. Spitzkoppe, Namibia's Matterhorn. Our next destination is Spitzkoppe, a towering granite monolith that rises dramatically from the desert plains. Known as Namibia's Matterhorn, Spitzkoppe is a paradise for hikers and rock climbers. Its smooth granite slopes offer a unique challenge and breathtaking views. Imagine scaling the heights of Spitzkoppe, the wind in your face and the vastness of the Namib Desert stretched out below you. As you ascend, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views and a sense of accomplishment that few experiences can match. Section 8. Swakopmund Charm on the coast. Our journey concludes in Swakopmund, a charming coastal town with a distinct German heritage. Situated between the Atlantic Ocean and the Namib Desert, Swakopmund offers a unique blend of adventure and relaxation. Enjoy a stroll along the beach, sample some local delicacies, or try your hand at sandboarding down the dunes. Imagine yourself sipping coffee at a sidewalk cafe, the salty air filling your lungs. Swakopmund is the perfect place to unwind after your Namibian adventure, reflecting on the incredible sights you've witnessed. Section 9. What's next on your travel list? And so our journey through Namibia's scenic wonders comes to an end. From towering sand dunes to rugged coastlines and abundant wildlife, Namibia offers a sensory feast for any traveler. But the world is full of breathtaking destinations waiting to be explored. What corner of the globe should we discover next? Share your travel dreams in the comments below.